Faith can be a deeply personal journey, but its power is magnified when we walk it together. I remember a defining moment in my life when I joined a small group in my church. At first, I hesitated, unsure of what to expect. However, the warmth and openness of the group quickly drew me in. Each week, we shared our struggles and victories, cultivating an atmosphere of trust and vulnerability. One evening, we studied Ecclesiastes 4:9-10, which highlights the strength found in companionship. The verse resonated deeply. It reminded me that we are not meant to journey alone. As we opened up about our individual challenges, I saw how our shared faith allowed us to lift each other up. One friend's testimony about overcoming doubt inspired me profoundly. By sharing perspectives on prayer, we learned to intercede for one another, creating a support system rooted in love and faith. This experience taught me that community fosters spiritual growth. Together, we can celebrate the highs and navigate the lows, reminding each other of God's promises. Through community, our faith flourishes, and we grow closer not just to one another, but to Christ Himself.